So here we are, day 3 of fishing every day. Got the boat in the back and we're going to the lake. So today just happened to be the only non-windy day of March. So you gotta go out, obviously. It might rain a little bit, but I'm not really sure how that's gonna work out. Spot shower or whatever. But I'd like to troll for some rainbow trout, and then if we don't catch any, we'll drop some shiners down in the deep for some lake trout. Everything's ready. Let's go catch a big ass rainbow trout. This guy has like 1,000 rods right here. How'd you do out there? Nice. A perch? Really? What'd you get the rainbows on? Spoons? Okay. Yeah, they always work. Nice setup you got. Thanks. Have a good one. We're gonna start by trolling here for some rainbows. We've got a gold spoon here, we'll throw that on there. And I would like to try this little, like, iridescent jerk bait. Looks sick. And then maybe we'll try this Rapala orange and gold. And we also got this guy. Something just jumped right over there. Holy shit. Look at that. Wow. Try not to drop him this time. I don't want to get dominated by a fish. Yeah. Well, that's a wrap. It's really raining now, so I'm gonna get in there. It's not supposed to stop either. That sucks, but we'll see you tomorrow.